Hills People's Cultural Forum observes International Day of the World's Indigenous Peoples at Taralangso. Good morning, viewers. You're watching Karbi Anglong Live Morning News with your host, Irbon Kilingpi. And now the news in detail. With an aim to develop mutual understanding and promote peace among the different indigenous tribes of Karbi Anglong, the Hills People's Cultural Forum on Monday celebrated the International Day of the World's Indigenous Peoples at Taralangso. The program was held at Eco Park inside Karbi People's Hall, Taralangso. The event was organized with the aim of sharing and acquainting the problems that all indigenous tribal people are facing in Karbi Anglong. It was also an effort to bring them together for the cause of Article 244A, which will guarantee more scopes of development to the people. Among the various tribal cultural groups who attended the program were Karbi Dimasa, Rengma, Kuki, Ahom, Adivasi, Mante-speaking community, Garo and Gurkha. Dimasa Students Union Secretary General Dhiraj Dipusa, KSA President Simeon Rongpar, KAWJF President Bulat Bepi and other tribal leaders were present in the event. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Youth and Sports Chairman Henpiga Rengma, who was also present in the event, said unity among the tribal people should prevail if Karbi Anglong seeks to march in a path of development. He also said that all communities should work to preserve and protect their own indigenous culture, dress, language, and these are the identities of a tribe. HPCF Chairman Laicha Ningling urged upon all tribal bodies to cooperate in the movement for statehood. He said that once the implementation of Article 244A is achieved, the indigenous people of Karbi Anglong will be safer from exploitation.
Forum Ahinpen, Taralangso, Forest IB, along nilitum ke patipon lake lahen lo nilitum ke mang bangke Karbi Anglong arlu itum hemprek autonomous state alam kai kita ningje sitame kapre tribe tumta mithang tumta Karbi Anglong ke hemprek long ote okol Karbi aphan chot ku kamatha la solam the awidet nei imithang right amukha ansu se ke pangchu je phan hemprek palong bek je phan kapre tribe tum long penta itum long lote kapre tribe phan ta itum rapun popo la solam the en itum pini dak wall indigenous day patipon lo lapen mithang dak a tribe kapre tumta la anibang khei kivir lam kivir dress kivir la sondu la si itum Karbi akhai itum ansu se kapang tang ponje phan Karbi akhai logot kadu kawe dak Karbi Anglong do kapre khai ang bong sami ning sipep pen ki do pen khala kapre khai so tum sitami ami thang homoisa jate itum ta karjudun pen alang litum long pen adheka solution piun pute kaching bai dun pen lape imi thang alam dak iki alam pe anso se angsong ponje fansin itum pini Hills People Cultural Forum ahin pen la World Indigenous Day bangke nilitum talon pon.
Bikram Cross report from Dipu for Karbi Anglong Live. Amidst heightened tension along the border areas in the hill districts of Karbi Anglong, the Karbi Students Association has charged that the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council EM Prodip Rongpi of having done nothing towards securing territorial integrity of the hill district. The students' body has asserted that they would never allow an inch of land to be traded to any neighboring states by government of Assam. This was stated in a press conference convened at the Keroni Agriculture Rest House on Monday. The Karbi Students Association Inglong Po has expressed their strong opposition to any attempt to trade Block 1 and Block 2 area of West Karbi Anglong district by government of Assam with Meghalaya to solve the border conflict. The statement was issued following news reporting claiming that Meghalaya might consider giving away the area near Guwahati to Assam if Block 1 and Block 2 areas under West Karbi Anglong district are transferred to Meghalaya. The Karbi Students Association Hamren Regional Committee in charge, Probin Timung, further asserted that it is unacceptable and would not allow the deal to succeed at any cost. Further, the students' body stated that they would not allow even a single village in Karbi Anglong district to be taken away by the government of Assam or Meghalaya. The students' body has also severely criticized KACEM Prodip Rongpi, who is elected representative of Chintong MSC constituency, pointing out that Block 2 is under his jurisdiction but has done nothing towards the development of border areas, which is key to security of the territory. The students' body further condemned EM Rongpi, charging him of remaining invisible and always missing from any important public discussion and meetings related to border areas, even when the situation were tense and required his involvement and constant presence.
Press meet ke phanang kok malam thegela puno non currently sili boy litum la block 1 and block 2 especially block 2 areas la Chingthong apart lama mukha poti pini press meet phanang kok lo athemake arnisi malom same seksar ta meeting dolo bang state bubu state Assam and Meghalaya state tum kita nitum ining pupe bang alalo Allah give and take ku isi policy kena yang pondo labang so give and take policy long moke karbiang long le kana hogi angring dogok so kana hok de lopote lagi itum karbiang long autonomous so long list kana hok lo 10,434 square kilometer polong le bang mo bedeji la so posin itum pini tong sekot pen sampalang so press bit bang phanang gok lo la pen hok pet lam bang ke pupu indigenous tribe khai so hatum pusa itum pusita la so khai so long peace and harmony isi ka maintain aphan alangli inut program pi local MDC matenon ke IM lo alangli stame haladak chedam ben la pupu amuni aphan alangli peace ka maintain aphan alangli chedam ben alangli ka padok ka palak pen ka pachobong pacharbo pavidet pen pangsam jin pen padumi seni pan alangli claiming apolo ta ning dugalam lo alangli stame chedam de alangli atoy ni same ke toy tiada alangli personal ke damne de lo mane sta atoy ni chedam de la pen alangli haladak karbinglong autonomous council CM authority mate alangli pan permission and bensi damning pola mavelo alangli ki adame alangli ka adak local MDC lo pure 24/7 alang ke dameja kong dorak ame thang musi dang de loke kita alangli chedam de la pen alangli adak peace maintain de.
It may be mentioned that the elected leaders of the Autonomous Council have come under severe criticism for their perpetual silence and absence in public consultation meetings to discuss on border issues. Mohan Teron's report from Pelangpi for Karbi Anglong Live. The presence of several numbers of wild elephants in the Dolamara forest has created fear among those who travel by the road that pass through this forest. Here is a report from our correspondent. The wild elephants that comes to the highlands of the Dolamara forest in order to escape the flood in Kaziranga National Park have been a cause of concern among the local residents from a long time. Farmers had to face damage of their crops both in Jum site as well as in the wetland farms. On the other hand, the people passes through this road are always in fear as several of them have encountered the jumbos on the way. In a latest incident, one cattle owner had to run for life when he went into the jungle to graze his cows. Likewise, several women who went on foot to Borjori Bank were also forced to flee to avoid elephants' attack. In the past, the forest department would clear climbers and bushes to clear out the obstruction of road view for the commuters. However, according to the local forest department official, no fund has been released this year for carrying out such work. Officials also informed that the lack of adequate numbers of employees have prevented them from providing security to the local residents. Further, the forest officials had urged the KAC to deploy more staffs to the forest offices in the area.
Non-nelidak Northern Range ke perlu Dolamara forest along aing nama jusido tigala bang so aing nam par people di Dolamara sime damun elephant pu bogakhat borjuri sime damun ya theke ladak nolom ingnar ka julum pik pena pola bang so riza bajosi kacheton tum do pik pusinang than la si forest department pen aningkan wang ladak lam la climber cutting kudo la tower pen 20 feet la pen puar bina 20 feet la sonsi ke pan do la josi pan lo pulote munitu ajara pile do ingare do la pen ka preka marar pile do simi aprang pan char ko pola tum ke dam ji pan aka chere meg do post min non bang ke non July ceklon nang August ceklon pini anang lut elos dame non andame la forest department pen ke pan pede pen pot munitu tum ke dam ke wang kai ta ingnar ka chetong nang ka phere nang la pen ingnar ke par la son chetong mam atum do pik la si la ka do ga vesme council forest department adu sme la climber cutting bang yong si problem me claim lo brote la pupen ke dam tu la pen thoi pen ke bang tu sme munitu an ke dam ke bang phala pura si sakse daji
এনে তো আমি আৰু গুৰু গোৱাল কৰি থকা অৱস্থাত মানে ইফালে ইফালে পাৰ হয় তে আৰু কি হয় ইমান ডাঙৰ জানোৱাৰ আৰু আমিতো সৰু মানুহ আৰু সেইকাৰণে আমাক অলপ ভয় লাগে আৰু নিজে আমি আৰু আঁতৰি যাওঁ
আচ্ছা দিগদাৰ দিয়ে নেকি
দিগদাৰটো ইমান নিদিয়ে অহা যোৱাটো মানে কিছুমান মানুহ লগ ভাত হৈ গ'লে অকণমান দিগদাৰ দিয়ে
লাগে হওক ল le niltum la Dolamara di siare ba rijab ang mong isi PWD atau wardo la suatu war agak ding se kilometer free fodo dak niltum la range office pen han Dolamaraan la suang mong ingnar phaita anikan wang sinang chan la si pining bang ongcho juning si ke nili hin pen elong noni mnitum pen la pu kerap hang si toara riri ตัวอะไรมันในปานิกลบบนสปินิ่งแกอังซองเป็นทางอาเกรับตาเวเราเป็นนิลิหินเป็นตาส่วนบางยกลงดอกเกรับเป็นลงเลยเดียจอยนิสินิลีปันเทเดลนั่นpuan tak asi menitum lan dalam arah tum akisung do piklo ingnar jo ini ingnar bang ambisi cot pining ba asi nil tum da chini lo monsita jaktong abia jo ini si nitum dan da akdem kedal
RG Sonrong Pars report from Dolamara for Karbi Anglong Live. The Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha of Bithung Ringthama constituency had on Monday held its second executive meeting. The meeting was held in Tumpreng BJP office. Here is a report. The meeting was chaired by Yuva Morcha leader Longki Ronghang. BJP WKADC President Radip Ronghang, who attended the meeting as a chief guest, said that youths play a very vital role in today's political world. They contribute immensely in the constructive process of building economic prosperity and political stability in a democratic country. Radip Ronghang urged the youths to come forward and to be more active in political sphere of the society. He also said that BJP is the most disciplined party and appealed more youths to be a part of the party. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Sericulture Board Chairman Bir Singh Hanse was also present in a meeting and shared his views and opinions about the contribution of youths in a political party. Basically, the meeting was conducted to make the youths ready for the upcoming MSc elections. Vicky Bay from Dongkamukam for Karbi Anglong Live. That is all we have for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live and have a great day.